Huawei launched the Nova Flip last year as its most affordable foldable. It looks like the company is now working on its successor. Reliable tipster digital chat station, the company is working on a new device called the Nova Flip S. The Nova Flip S will feature either a toned-down version of the Kirin 9020. The device paired with 12 GB of RAM up to 1 TB of storage. It features a 6.94-inch LTPO OLED foldable display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 2.14-inch OLED cover screen. The main camera system includes a 50MP wide lens with OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, while the front houses a 32MP selfie camera, a 4400 mAh battery with 66W fast charging and 5W reverse charging. Security was handled by a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, weighing about 195 grams. The Nova Flip S will land somewhere around 5,000 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.